Guys, good morning. So this is a W3BFLIX, that is according to the CEO. W3BFLIX just like Netflix. Okay, Netflix on Telegram. So in this video I'll show you how to mine this W3BFLIX. So once you have clicked the referral link to take you to this page, start. Okay, just two things that you need to be doing here: watch videos and daily claiming. So first you click on explore. Okay, firstly I want you guys to do this verification, not a bot. You tap on not a bot. Make sure you do this. I've done mine, so it's telling me congrats, you're not a bot. So make sure you do this also. So now once you are here, so you scroll down, you see the video there. It might be 2, 3, 1 or not in self ground. So once you see any video there, just tap on it. Just tap on the video and click on play. You will need to wait you wait for this this blue bar here to reach the end. Once it reach the end, this diamond here by your right, it will highlight, then you click it to claim. So just wait for like 10 seconds or 20 seconds. So that's it. You are done. Just click on it successfully. So you go back to your W3BFLIX boots, you will see it. Okay, you see now you claim 25 watch to earn points. Your total point is now 17,000. So that's it. You will do the same for the second video. Explore. You will do same for the second video. So we do the same. Let me click on it. I've not watched it. So let's wait.
Sono film che mi hanno sempre colpito per il tocco delicato ma profondo.
Aveva questa capacità di fare molte cose insieme bene.
Lui non era musicista, ma era più musicista di tantissimi altri.
Lo sforzo di Zeffirelli era di essere popolare.
Chi è che scrive un libro se non spera di pubblicarlo o fare un film che sia un fallimento?
In Italy he was not as revered as he was abroad.
Successfully claim 45. So let's go to the second part. The second part is daily claiming, daily reward. So how you're gonna do this: you click on accounts. Once you click on accounts, you see the daily lucky job. But first, since you are new on this project, you first of all connect your wallet. You go to connected wallet side. You connect your wallet first thing. So after connecting your wallet, then you'll be able to do this daily lucky draw claim. So you tap on it, just tap. You've received 26 daily points. Okay guys, that's it. This won't even take 5 minutes or 10 minutes of your time. Just do this for daily. Do this daily to earn reward. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it helps.